Hello everyone, I'm Lae Lae. Today I want to talk about Roselle, or as it is sometimes called in England, Rosal. Roselle is a species of hibiscus native to West Africa and can grow up to 2.5 meters tall. I can't seem to find it in the UK, so I must grow my own. For growing, it grows easily in Myanmar and can be grown in the UK. I personally have found Rosal difficult to grow, and we need a greenhouse even in summer. This is outside plant, and this is in the greenhouse plant. So you can see what is the difference between outside and inside. This is because Rosal germinates at soil temperatures between 24 and 28 degrees centigrade. And the English climate is generally too cold. Perhaps a heater would improve results, but I have no heater in my greenhouse. My first attempt was in April, and although some seeds did germinate, they all rotted. I had better luck with the seeds I planted in May using my favorite dump tissue method that I have shown you 7th grandiflora video. I started pitching out the tops for my cooking in mid-July. Compared to Myanmar Rosal, these are growing well, but seem to have a high problem. The Rosal plant is full of iron and protein, and the leaves are best used when they are fresh. Rosal is commonly used in Myanmar, often fried with garlic, chili, and dried prawns or fish. A popular dish is Rosal soup, made from the leaf with fish paste. In my experience, I think it is better to germinate your seed in May. Some UK gardeners recommend that seeds are planted in February, but I think that your seeds are much more likely to rot. If you have a heated greenhouse, go for it. If not, okay, thanks for watching and good luck with your planting. See you later. I have some seed left, and if you would like some, please message me.